Right, good morning, Calvinia. So yes, finally made it to the post box. Haven't been here before. My brother always posts a photo when he travels through the town, so I said to myself, I have to see it for myself. So there we go. Thank you, Calvinia. There's the post box. Very cool. Glad I have seen it. Glad to be in Calvinia and see the post box. Right, cool. So into the post box. Very happy about that. I need to do a refuel now. Chatting to the guy here, he says the roads to the Tankwa are going to be muddy. But otherwise get to Niewoudtville. Niewoudtville I've been to before, and there's a beautiful waterfall there that wasn't running when I was there. And he was just telling me now that the waterfall is running, so maybe that would be a nice ride. Yeah, Niewoudtville 68. And there's also the pass, so maybe we can do the pass as well as do the waterfall. I'm happy with that. Cool. Oh, beautiful mountains, damn it. Oh, very cool. Yeah. Fantastic. Welcome to Niewoudtville. Capital of the world, I know that. But what I think I'm going to start with is the waterfall. Let's go! Niewoudtville waterfall. Very happy about that. Right, cool. So yeah, just got to the Niewoudtville waterfall. And I can get a nice drone flight. Can't hurt. Right, cool. Let's take a walk to the waterfall. Right, yeah, there's a very nice lookout point up ahead. Yeah. There's a small waterfall and the main waterfall. Oh, beautiful. Let's have a look down there. Very cool. Oh, sure. Lovely ravine. Beautiful. Let's go this way. We can get the drone up. So perfect. That was a lovely little stop off at the waterfall. And the theme for the day, I've been thinking about it, is what makes your heart sing? And I suppose for me, it is just seeing South Africa, seeing the beauty all around us as a country, and seeing everything that we get to see in this beautiful land of ours. This is a nice to see, but yeah, let's pick it up. Yeah. What makes your heart sing? Welcome in Niewoudtville. Welcome in Niewoudtville. Awesome stuff. Niewoudtville Hotel. Slightly Blouhuis. Let's see if the Blouhuis is open. Maybe have a breakfast. Can't be bad. Let's have a look. Blouhuis. It's quite nice. Let's go a spot. Cool. Beautiful spot. So yeah, I'm sure the breakfast is going to be incredible. Excellent breakfast. Yeah, roasted cooked tomato, sausage, bacon, egg, and a roaster cook. So yeah, looking forward to that. It's going to be epic. Oh, thank you, Blouhuis. That breakfast was incredible. Really enjoyed it. Finish breakfast, pay for that, and then we head to the vanRhyn pass just to take the pass, and then we can come back. Very cool. Nothing wrong with that. That's why we tour. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for the visit. Thank you. Different. Very cool. Nice. That was great. Thank you, Blouhuis. Very cool. 820 meters, that's not too bad. Let's see, maybe we can still get some footage. Could be interesting. Oh, misty. Nice hairpin. Okay. Oh, not too bad. We'll just stop off here. Get a rear camera on, I think. Nice. Oh. Let's see. Oh, it's a pity you can't see much, but yeah, it could be nice twists and turns. Let's get the camera sorted to get a rear camera on. All cameras on, let's go. Oh, let's go. Nice hairpin coming up. Oh, very misty, but it's fine. You can see alright. It'll be fun. Over there, there's Flats. Welcome to the Western Cape, back in the Very happy with that. Perfect. Super. Good job, boss. Yeah, so did the pass. It was awesome. vanRhyn's pass for the win. Very nice. And now we're going to do it again. Going back up. Awesome. Right, yeah, so incredible pass. I really enjoyed it. So I had to do it twice. Bit of an adrenaline rush. That's what makes my heart sing. Cool. All good. Let's go. I think it's the largest motorcycle collector in the country, if I'm not mistaken. Which would be very cool. Let's see, Protea Motors. This is where it is. Oh, let's have a look. And it's the largest motorcycle collection, I think, in South Africa. So hopefully we can take a walk through. Let's see how it goes. Right, you might be able to see behind me. Dozens and dozens and dozens of motorcycles, yeah. Right, there you can see just motorbikes. Niewoudtville motorcycle collection. 25 Rand and you can take a walk through. There's just so many. Oh, MTX, Honda, Suzuki 100, Moto Guzzi's, BMWs, Averidas. Oh, absolutely incredible. Just motorbikes for as far as you can see. Sidecar on a Ural, I think. Very, very cool. Yeah, I'm not going to walk through that way. I don't know how many there are. Now, the gentleman did say that some people that come and visit are terrible. So like there's a key inside the ignition here. And some people that visit steal the keys just for memorabilia. Don't ask me why, but anyway. You have to seriously walk your way through here. Just motorcycles. Motorcycles for days. Hoeveel motorfietsen is hier, dink jy? 169. 169 motorbikes.
That's what?
Yeah.
It was another 5 more.
5 million rand just for this one.
Only 3 of.
3 in the world. Really?
1953
1953.
33.
1933. Oh, James. Wow. Oh, incredible.
For this number plate, he had an offer of £1 million.
£1 million just for a number plate.
And it's only and it's one of Britain's first business.
Oh,
First
really?
registration.
Yeah. Oh, wow. So apparently in 2 years' time they're going to expand, or they're going to build another warehouse so that they can display it better. How many motorcycles is too many motorcycles? Right. Awesome morning spent, 12:30. And we now head back to Calvinia. Very cool. Fantastic morning spent again. Another great day in the saddle. 125 k's, about 200 k's, just over 200 k's for the day. Very happy about that. Let's go. 69 kilometers to Calvinia. Let's go. Stopped in Calvinia for some dinner, so dinner should be epic. I've got some beautiful lamb from Calvinia lamb, 2 loin chops, 2 ribs, gem squash and baked potato in the fire. So looking forward to dinner tonight, should be epic. Really cool to be back. Now it's time to just chill, relax, get all the footage downloaded and get ready for tonight's braai. Yeah, awesome. Pepper seasoning for now. Salt liter, the salt and pepper. Let's get this on the braai. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Really cool. Oopsie. The other way. Other way. That way, yeah. These lamb loin chops off because they are done. They are perfect. I don't want to overcook them. Question is, has this lamb rib fat rendered enough? That is the question. And yeah, this will probably be the last post for the day. Yeah, but the lamb is going well. Potatoes are going well. Gem squash is going well. Everything is going well. It's awesome. Good stuff.